Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how you can get a totally free adult application which you probably never heard of to your Firestick or Android TV. The whole process is super easy and the setup is going to take you only a couple of minutes. First of all, you just need to get an app called Downloader, which you can get for free from your official Amazon App Store or just Google Play Store. To do so, go to search on your device. Here it is. And now in the search, just type Downloader. Usually, there's even no need to enter the whole name of the app because as you can see, it already popped out for us at the bottom. So you click on Downloader and that's the application which you need to get to your device. However, it's not over yet, we still have to set it up. To do so, we'll go to Settings. Here they are, click on that button with the gear icon, then scroll down until you see My Fire TV. Open it, and here we have to enable developer options for your device. However, on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new ones, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, don't worry, it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now what you have to do is click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times and do it fast. So let's do it. As you can see now, for me at the bottom it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case, and in your case it's going to say that you have become a developer now. And if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options which have appeared right here. Open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and here turn that option on for the downloader. So what it does is going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only from official Amazon App Store. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now just go back to the list of apps on your device. Here it is, click on it. And there's the downloader application, which will just guide to our Firestick. However, before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I really recommend doing. And it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great application for Firesticks or pretty much any other device you may use, be it a mobile phone, a laptop or Android TV, they have an app for every device. And it's not expensive for such a premium service. In the app, you just connect to any server and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be encrypted. It means nobody is going to be able to track you or snoop on you online, and that's extremely important if you want to stay out of trouble online, especially if you are using adult applications. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you'd like to try it out, I do have a special offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below this video, you'll get 4 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing deal. So go get those 4 months for free and then use Downloader and adult apps safely. Now we can finally open the Downloader. Then on the left side menu, make sure to click on Home, and then here in that search bar, we have to type a code, which is going to be 28907. So once again, the code is 28907, and then you have to press on Go. And now, in a couple of seconds, a website is going to load. And after the website opens, all you have to do is just scroll down a bit until we see a list of categories. And here it is. And the category you have to click on is that one with the heart icon. You can see it on the screen right here. So just click on that category and then a list of apps is going to appear. There you'll find a huge list of applications, but the one we are interested in is right here on the screen. You can see the name of the app here. I will not pronounce it because YouTube may not like it, but just make sure to click on that app name. Then if any ad opens up for you here, make sure to click on close, because if you click on open, it's going to mess everything up for you. So just click on X right here, and now a new web page has opened for you. What you have to do here is just scroll down. So keep scrolling until you see those download buttons. That's the usual download button, but if that for some reason doesn't work for you, you can also use backup download link, which is just below it. So now just click on download right here. And now in a couple of seconds, download is going to start. As you can see, it's really fast. Then just click on install in the right bottom corner. And after the app is installing. And now when the app has finally installed, do not press on open yet. We still have more work to do. We need to click on done. And here we'll have an option to delete the installation file because we don't need any more. So click on delete and then delete once again. Now let's finally go to the list of applications on our device. Here it is. And here you'll find the adult application which we just downloaded to your Firestick. I would highly recommend you to use a mouse toggle application with this app to make it easier to navigate. And I do have a tutorial on how to set up a mouse toggle on my channel. You will see it on the screen now. Also, don't forget to get a VPN to stay out of trouble and totally anonymous when watching adult applications. A link to a great offer for NordVPN with 4 months for free is going to be in the pinned comment below this video. That's it for today, thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.